Good morning. Thank you so much for watching. Yep, coming from London, guys. Yes, welcome back to London. And yes, thank you so much, guys. I'm shooting the first video here in London. And yes, I'm going to be giving you a tour of the underground today, guys. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yes, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always share this video. Tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, and let's get into this video. Yep. So now I'm in Liverpool Street Station. Yeah, just walking through the tunnel. Yes, just arrived back in London. So we really have a bad delay on the flight, guys, coming into London. It wasn't easy at all.
Yeah, catch you later on.
Right, so I need to get, let's see. Yep, I need to get the Hammersmith City. If I could try and get the Metropolitan, that would be nice. Okay, it's not the train. No, that's not the train, that's not the train. But let's stay in line, stay in line, stay in line. Okay, then train is approaching.
Liverpool Street. Yeah, I know. Northern Line train to Watford. The next station is Moorgate.
Didn't even take it.
Yes, just arrived. Yeah, just arrived at Baker Street. Yeah, just arrived. Yes, at Baker Street. So just need to walk down now, and I just need to get the Bakerloo line now. So yes, yes, so brother. So welcome to Baker Street. Yes. So what I need to get now is the Bakerloo line. Yeah. Yes, Bakerloo line. Yes, Bakerloo. Going down the escalator. Yes, going down the escalator now. Yeah, down the escalator. Welcome to London, guys. Welcome to London. Yeah. Okay, guys. So northbound, platform 9. So this is the platform I need to get the train. So I need to quickly get in. Yes, just arrived in Queen's Park. Yes, welcome to Queen's Park.
Train information portal on platform 3 does not show terminated trains. To ensure that you are boarding the correct train, please check the destination on the front of the train where possible. Thank you for your understanding while we try to fix this issue.
Just starting to drizzle a bit, guys, as night come down now, it's starting to drizzle a bit here in Queen's Park. Yeah. It is so nice and beautiful in the evening here. Really nice and beautiful. So yes, guys, so we just arrived at Queen's Park. Queen's Park, and right over there I used to work in that place over there, guys. So I'm back in my location now in London, Queen's Park. Yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the train journey.
I know, it's just a bit more courtesy, isn't it?
No? And this is one of the local bus guys, the 316. It goes to normally Crickwood, guys. So it's one of the local bus. Yeah. But anyway, you know, the time now, guys, is literally coming up to 5 o'clock p.m. and it is rush hour now, guys. So it's going to be a very, very busy here at Queen's Park. You know, very, very busy place. So all the buses them now coming out. This is where all the people them start to walk very awkward. So everything start to come busy, guys. So this is the top bit of Queen's Park. It's really, really busy, guys. A really busy place. Yeah. There you go. Person almost walked into me. Yeah, and it is because of the rush hour, so, you know. So you just have to keep your eyes in your head, guys. And this is where normally pickpockets and things can start as well. And one thing as well to say as well, guys, there was a lady, a dodgy lady I caught this morning. And let me tell you how it works is that the person literally come up to me and asked me, you know, if I have a £20 note for two £10 notes. So she was doing it as a little bit of business, guys, you know, to make some money. And that is exactly what it is. So the smart thing anyway, the smart thing about it, what I did, me, is take a swap with her. Even I know who she was, but I did not expose her or anything like that, guys. So wherever around the world you travel and someone asks you to swap some note or something like that, just ignore them. Just don't accept it. Yeah. Yes, just don't accept it. Just keep yourself safe, guys. You know, just be safe. You know. So this is a thing to look out for. And I did it. I should have videoed her, to be honest with you guys, because you know, next time when that happens, I'm gonna catch her again, and then I'm gonna put the camera on. I'm gonna say 1 minute. Let me go in the shop or your cash point and get the £20 note. That's what I'm gonna do next time. And then I'm gonna walk and put the camera on and tell her that, listen, I've just exposed you. I'm gonna say, I know exactly what you're doing. You're going around and swapping the money, you know, so swapping the two fake, you know, £10 for literally a real £20 note. So the social experiment that I've done with her, guys, I give her a fake note because I know she was giving me fake notes. So that was a smart thing I done. So she thinks that she scammed me, but no. We both draw. She didn't realize that we draw. She thinks she win, but no, she didn't win, guys. Because I've already spotted it when I first see the two £10 notes. I know straight away that was not real. Straight away I clocked it. But at the same time, what I did is just switch my fake notes and said, yes, this is definitely it, you know. She is scamming me. But anyway, good luck to her anyway. As what I said, you know, she's saying she only lived down here, guys, you know, but that is what they all say. But they're not from this area. They come from a different area, and then they come here to try and make a little business, and they move from, you know, location to location, you know, and that's how they make their money, by swapping the notes. And I think the lady was Irish. Yeah, looked more like an Irish to me, I would say, you know. Yeah. But anyway, guys, we are now down on Kilburn Lane. Yeah, Kilburn Lane, guys. Hope you guys enjoying the traveling underground journey, you know, and also a little bit of 4K walking. So I'll be ending the video in a minute. Before we end the video, guys, I'm going to show you around here just before I wrap up all this video here in London. I'll be moving on to my next journey very soon, guys. You know, I'm going to be leaving London and I'll be on to my next journey. So the way I used to do the videos, guys, I don't do the video like how I used to do it anymore. And just to let you know as well, guys, you know, many people don't watch really the 4K walk by videos, especially here in London, and most people don't watch it. So this is the train track over here, you know, where the train run. But I'm going to be doing my content is slightly different now, guys, so you're not going to get to see much of my 4K walking videos anyway, because a lot of people are not watching these videos, to be honest, you know. Yeah, that is what I noticed, you know. People talking about doing SEO, doing this and that thumbnail and all that. It's all nonsense. I don't believe in that. I just know that what's more important than anything is the title. The title is more important. That's all it is. Of course, yes, I understand you have to have a thumbnail that related to the video. Yes, it's related to what the video is, of course. Yeah, but there's a lot of YouTubers put the videos up, they don't put no thumbnail, there's no description, they don't do no SEO, and the videos still do well. So it don't have anything to do with that. It's most of the title is more important. So if my title is about traveling underground in London, that is either people are going to like it, that is going to be up to YouTube if they want to push that video out. You know, that's how it works. That's how your video go in the algorithm. So it depends on what the niche is. If there's something what the people would like watch, then yes. Well, I don't think people really watch underground videos neither. I think it's another one as well. And they don't really watch the 4K walk videos then. Yes, they don't really watch it. So I will be doing the content them slightly different when I travel on to my next journey. Oh, look at that. Wow, caught that at the right time. Wow, beautiful. Just like I said earlier, guys, that was the train track there. That was so beautiful to catch that. I was so amazed by that. I was really amazed. Okay guys, this is where I'm going to be ending the video for today. So I'm here now, guys, at home, back at the home now, so this is where I'm going to end the video. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah, don't forget to always like, share, subscribe and comment. Tell another friend to tell another friend. And thank you so much, guys. Signing out from England, here in Kilburn, London.